Hello, my name is Chris Kayla with Exit Real Estate Professionals. Have you ever thought about working with a real estate company that offered you a potential salary plus commission and then threw in retirement and beneficiary benefits as well? This is not a multi-level marketing plan, nor is it based on profit sharing. Our system is revolutionizing the real estate industry, building wealth around the world. We have agents earning hundreds of thousands per year in addition to their real estate commissions. Thinking of a new car, a boat, remodeling, or perhaps educational costs have you wondering? You may not be thinking of a change, but you owe it to yourself to know your options. If you just want more out of real estate, let's talk. With all the phenomenal training, I can't wait to tell you how Exit Realty has changed my life and show you why we're the fastest growing real estate company ever. My name is Chris Kayla with Exit Real Estate Professionals. Your future is only a phone call away.